PlugTail installs up to 5 times faster than conventional wiring devices. Let's compare PlugTail with traditional trim-outs. On the left is an opening roughed in with conventional pigtails, while PlugTail is on the right. PlugTail can be installed by apprentices just as quickly and consistently as experienced journeymen, so you can move your pros onto the next project. The only installation tool needed with PlugTail is a screwdriver, and it's easier on the knees and backs. The first PlugTail rough-in is completed, but there's still a lot of work to do on the conventional installation. At finish, PlugTail saves even more time. Just remove the poly bag and the connector is free of debris and ready for use. Then plug the connector into the back of the PlugTail receptacle. When you hear the click, the connection is complete. You can install up to 5 PlugTail devices in the same time as one conventional receptacle. And look to PlugTail for complete line of switches too. For the fastest installation job every time, choose PlugTail.